What up, guys? If you're replacing your suspension on your trailer or upgrading it to a beefier linkage or equalizer, and you run into this issue where you can't fit the spacer through the leaf spring, what I did is I used a bearing sealer for a BMX bike or a pit bike motorcycle, and what I'm doing is pressing it together and it's going in a lot smooth with this tool, because I noticed once I hit out the plastic spacer inserts, these were not going in very smooth. One went in out of 4 of them smooth, but the other 3 I had to use this. You guys haven't seen what one of these look like. Looks like this. Like a T-wrench type tool. Picked this up on Amazon or local bike shop. So that worked good to get this little brass spacer inside this leaf spring. We're upgrading to a Dexter equalizer and linkage where it's got the fitting to grease it with.